Through video editing techniques, picture-in-picture can be created in post-production. This process requires a multi-track video editing program as well as individually captured media files for importation. Using a video editing program can be time-consuming, involving resizing, positioning, and layering video tracks. In this example, two video tracks are shown in an Adobe Premiere timeline, the top track being the witness recording and the lower track, the document camera recording. By making the top track invisible, the timeline can be scrubbed through until a paper exhibit appears in the frame. At this point, the witness video track can be cut. The video is further scrubbed until the exhibit leaves the frame, and the witness video is then cut again. The top track can now be made visible, and the spliced segment can be resized and repositioned to create picture-in-picture video. As with any picture-in-picture technique, the corner placement of the inset screen is not significant. It should just be consistent from one exhibit to the next, without covering key information, which is not a concern in this example. The process of navigating the timeline and splicing video can be repeated for each exhibit introduced. Manual resizing of the video for each exhibit is unnecessary, as the position and scale property values can be copied and applied to the remaining footage, ensuring consistent PIP sizing. Typically, it's more practical to invest time in arranging for live picture-in-picture mixing equipment than attempting picture-in-picture through post-production editing. In the recent example demonstrating the post-picture-in-picture technique, an exhibit recording was captured using a document camera. This requires a model that can be set up to record, either to internal storage, such as the model shown, or alternatively to an external recording device. It is also essential to ensure the recordings remain synchronous when layered. This can be achieved by matching sound waveforms in the video editor, or by utilizing a timecode generator if integrated into the videographer's recording setup. Both methods are far less tedious than importing exhibit scans, which would involve matching the exhibits with their introduction in the transcript. However, they still require careful management. We won't go into greater depth explaining the specifics of picture-in-picture techniques in post-production. Just keep in mind that it's generally easier to capture picture-in-picture live whenever possible.